Oh yeah, that's gonna... Hey, it's Aaron here of Apogee Locomotive Works, and today I'm here to announce Fireless Friday. It will be a sales event on Friday the 23rd, this coming Friday, and I will be releasing a new variation of Fireless shell, probably the last one for a while, and I will have all my Fireless shells, including the new one, 15% off. So if you're looking for a good project this weekend, something special for some industries on your railroad, go ahead and take a look at apogeelocoworks.com and take a look at our options for Fireless locomotive shells. They all fit on the same chassis, the Bachmann Porter rectangular side tank locomotive. I have the box here. These guys, in the blue box, they make the greatest chassis. Here's the completed C&O one. Here's an unpainted Pennsylvania Power and Light one. Here's my personal Pennsylvania Power and Light one. Did a bit of freelancing on it, as you can see. Here's the new one. We're releasing the North American Rayon Company version. Pretty great one, actually. We have the early one, the 1920s public water supply, and of course, last but certainly not least, Pennsylvania Power and Light 4093. So yes, all of these shells will be available on Apogee Locomotive Works for 15% off on Fireless Friday, which is of course the 23rd, this coming Friday. So do take a look, spread the word, and mark your calendars. Thanks.